Today I'm gonna be trying to trade my maybe I might trade it if I get a good offer. But I want to make it interesting. But I'm gonna be seeing what people will trade for a dodo bird. Yeah, this is pretty good. Okay, so let me just go here. I'm gonna write it just so people will want it more. Cause like when ride potions are very offered. I had a ride potion one time, traded it, and someone where was the pet? Someone gave me like a kitten, a rideable kitten, and I traded that away for a very bad. Oh my God, this is a rich server. Oh come on. I used to have a little bit of anyway. Trading. Oh shoot! Someone already. Wait, I don't think I have to type. Hopefully, someone have a good offer for this. Oh yeah, I'm going for this trade already. I know this is gonna be a good trade. I always wanted a unicorn. I could save it. This might be the shortest ever trading video. Oh my God! Okay, she declined. I thought so. Trading for good offer. Trading for good offer. Trading for good offer. Trading rideable pet. I'll give her a rideable pet. Wow. Like this is still in the game, but that with the little bird won't be in the. Oh, okay, I'm playing. Okay, doesn't look like nobody really got some good. Well, maybe they got some good offers. I'm not going to type. I'm just gonna look in this person. I don't really collect gingerbread that much no more. I just try to get a lot of pets. I'm saving up for your bird. Royal egg. If she declined, I love friends. I have friends. Dream pet is no owl and a dragon. Oh, okay. Well, I got this. I don't know if this trade's fair, but I'm gonna let Adopt Me pick. Well, so much robots are like joining the game and put it in like stuff. I was in a game earlier, and a robot act like Roblox. Like it had Roblox in it. It was Roblox. And it was kind of weird. Adopt Me says this is a good trade. No, this is not a good trade. This is not a good trade. Not for me. Like, this is hard to get. This is hard to get. I'd open up like 3 of these. And that was a lot of money because I got Robux. I had got like 4,000 Robux and I got some money and I got some stuff. And I bought some games. This was hard to get. I did get lucky. Now my game is lagging. Oh, holiday. People start to send me trade requests. Ooh. No, I didn't get to see it. Ooh. Ooh, what is she? Wait, I'm gonna offer for it, Frost Dragon. I'm gonna offer for it, because it's almost gone. I'm gonna put up some penguins. I joined Adopt Me this year, so I don't really know all about it. I don't know if the penguin. Dang it! God, sorry. Anyway, guys, that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out.